Okay, so marine batteries. I've got a project going that is on my 202 Champion. It's dual console. The charging system and the power delivery system is needs to be updated. It's having some issues after installing, some bigger graphs. We got more electronics, all that kind of stuff. So batteries, you have a Series 24 batteries, 27, Series 29, Series 31. I don't have a 29 or a 27 battery I can show you, but I do have a Series 31, and then I have a Series 24. What you'll find is that this battery, if we go from here to here, so we're looking at like 10 and a quarter, whereas on a Series 31 we're about 13 inches. And then usually height-wise, they're about 9 inches. You might find some batteries like 8.5. And then typically, wide. On a Series 24 battery, both of them are about 9 inches. So, and then we're, you probably can't see it, but we're about 6.5 inches wide here. So this is a Series 24, and this is a Series 31. When you're dealing with your space, you may have to deal with this issue like I do. This one, you're going to have them 12 volt batteries. If we look real close, this one's got 500 cranking amps, and its reserve capacity is 140 minutes. You want to know that on this battery, it looks like it's a pretty good battery because it's 690 or 555 cold cranking amps and 185 reserve capacity. So ignore that number, but yeah, 555 cold cranking amps and 185, and that they show at 0 degrees, so that's your marker, 0 degrees. These are both good batteries. We can put my load tester on them and check them. But so what we have is this Champion. The way it's set up, it's got this Gen 2 Roco charger, 3-bank charger, which is a pretty big charger. I think possibly I'll pull that. Right now it's got some interstate batteries. These are 31 series, 950 cold cranking amps. There's 3 of them. This is a 36 volt system. There's 3 batteries. There's one here, one over there, and then you got this one down here next to the oiler. So not a lot of space. If we take 3 24s and put them across there, get our 36 volts for our trolling motor, and then we'll put in our cranking battery here, a pretty good size one, like at least 1,000 cold cranking amps, and that'll be just for the motor. So motor and accessories back here, and then across there is going to be 3 batteries in series. So you don't want them in parallel, they're going to be in series. 2 outside positive negative in it. So like if you get positive negative, you go negative to positive, and then you're going to go negative to positive on this battery. So your positive is over there, and your negative lead will be on this battery that will end up over here, and I get your 36 volts. And then once I get that straightened out, I'm going to go ahead, I think, and replace this Noco, because I'll have 4 batteries. The engine will charge the engine battery, but maybe I want to have a charge bank for that one, and I'll need a little space. So I'm going to go and look and see what my options are to replace that charger, and buy some new batteries and place them all. And then we're just going to go through all our accessories, lights, finders or depth finders, and make sure we got good power, There is 3 lines that is, I guess that's 8 gauge, or it's definitely 8 gauge. I'm almost positive of it. That goes all the way to the front. This is to my trolling motor, 36 volt. Temporarily had this. This is, I don't know, this is at least 12. I think it said on it. It was pretty stiff. It's marine grade. I don't know if it says it. Pull this out.